You're listening to the OSINT Sport Finance Weekly, where data meets sport and hidden signals become financial insight. I'm John Luca, and for more deep dives, visit OSINTinvestigate.com. Let's get into this week's biggest stories from March 30th to April 5th, 2026. Segment 1, Ownership and Investment. This week, the smart money is moving quietly. Using OSINT techniques, corporate filings, executive travel patterns, and hiring data, we're seeing a clear trend. Investors are targeting mid-tier football clubs, not the giants, not the headlines. Why? Because value is no longer in prestige, it's in potential. Clubs with strong academies, low debt exposure, and digital growth opportunities are becoming prime acquisition targets. And here's the key insight. These moves are often visible before they happen, if you know where to look. Segment 2, Sponsorship Intelligence. Now, let's talk sponsorships, and this is where OSINT really shines. This week, we tracked early-stage partnerships through social media metadata, localized ad campaigns, and even image file data. The pattern? Tech companies, AI firms, fintech brands. They're entering sport aggressively, but quietly. Instead of massive global announcements, they're testing markets first, regional activations, niche audiences, targeted engagement. Financially, this means a shift. Clubs are moving toward performance-based sponsorships, deals tied to clicks, engagement, and digital reach. Welcome to the era of measurable football finance. Segment 3, Football Finance Trends. Let's break down the numbers behind the game. Across multiple leagues, OSINT signals point to tighter wage control strategies. Contracts are changing. We're seeing more performance bonuses, conditional payments, sell-on clauses. And here's the big shift. Player valuation is becoming data-driven. Clubs are relying less on intuition and more on analytics platforms. By tracking partnerships, software integrations, and even API usage, we can identify which clubs are investing heavily in data infrastructure. And those clubs? They're gaining a competitive edge on and off the pitch. Segment 4, OSINT in action. Let's zoom out for a second. This week proved one thing. OSINT is no longer optional in sport finance. It's essential. Here's what stood out. Flight tracking revealed executive movement linked to negotiations. Satellite imagery confirmed infrastructure investments. Web scraping detected early financial disclosure changes. Social listening exposed fan sentiment before market reactions. This is the new playbook. Information isn't just power, it's timing. Segment 5, Weekly Takeaways. Quick recap of the week. Investors are targeting undervalued football assets. Sponsorships are becoming flexible and data-driven. Wage structures are tightening across leagues. OSINT is delivering early, actionable intelligence. If you're not using OSINT in sport finance, you're already behind. That's your OSINT Sport Finance Weekly. For more insights, tools, and analysis, head over to OSINTinvestigate.com. I'm John Luca. Thanks for listening.